how to fix can't add friends on Steam. I'm going to explain why this happens. Usually you will not be able to add friends because you have not spent any money on Steam. The minimum is going to be $5, and if you have not spent any money on Steam, then your account counts as limited. How can we fix this? You will need to click on your profile icon, then go into view my wallet, and right here you will see your wallet and you want to add funds to your wallet. So the minimum, like I said, is going to be either €5 or $5. You will click on add funds and then choose your preferred payment method. And once you add those funds, you will also need to spend them on a game. So you will go to your store, and here you just want to find any game that is about $5 or euro, and you will purchase that game. And once you purchase the game, you will be able to add friends. You will click on friends and then add a friend. And once you click on add a friend, then here you can again select add a friend and find people or groups, and you can also accept pending invites. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.